Hello everyone, welcome to this bite-sized Microsoft Word tutorial. In this video, we are going to see that how can we save a Word document into the format of a PDF. First of all, let us understand that what is the significance of saving any document in a PDF format. So when you save a document in a PDF format, it is easier for you to print it and it is easier for you to share it. The receiver will be able to see the document as you have designed it. There would be no changes possible until and unless they have the option to edit the PDF. So it is easier to share, it is easier to print and easier to read. That's why most of the people prefer sharing documents in a PDF format. So let's see how do we do this. First of all, we need to open up our Microsoft Word. Now remember one thing, that this could be any version of Microsoft Word, not necessarily the version that I am using. Now let's just create a blank document, or if you want a template, you can use any of the templates that Word provides you on the home screen. Once you've opened the document, let's just add some text. This is just going to be a sample text. But just like this, you can add as many text, as many images or whatever you want. You can just prepare your whole document. Then you go to the file option. Then you have the option of save as. Now I'm just going to this browse option and I'm just going to save it in the desktop. Provide it a name like sample. That's going to be my name. And when it is asking for save as type instead of the Word document, you just need to go onto this drop down menu and select PDF. So as you can see, the extension has been changed to sample.pdf. You can click on save and now your Word document would be saved as PDF. In my computer, the setting is that as soon as you save any PDF document, it would automatically open it in the Acrobat Reader, which is why I'm getting this kind of a preview. But if you just close these two, let's just click on don't save over here. So you can see sample.pdf file is present. You can just double click it and that's the PDF that we have created. That's how you save a Word document into PDF. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.